So, you have made a decision to learn the beautiful language of German?
Schmetterling!
Congratulations! Or should I rather say, I'm sorry for you? In any case, I'm here to help. And that's why I'm giving you the 5 ultimate learn German hacks out there. If you follow these hacks, you will learn German in no time. If you don't, this can end only one way for you. In crying, and more crying. Hack number 1 will get you jump started and make you remember hundreds of words in just a few days. All you need is some sticky notes and a pen. Just put stickers with the German words on all things around your house. This way you will learn, I promise you, at least 200 of the most important words within days. Without even studying, just by being in your flat. That, ladies and gentlemen, is German efficiency at its finest. Yes, if people will come to your flat in these few days, they will think you're crazy. But it's really just showing how dedicated you are. Hack number 2 is probably the most fun language learning hack of all. All you gotta do is to listen to German music. No, you don't need to listen to that kind of German music. We actually have great musicians over here, and listening to their songs is a great way to absorb the grammar naturally. It will expose you to new vocabularies as well, and you will be very eager to learn those new words because you will want to know what the lyrics are all about. You will also learn how locals speak, and it will already give you some insight into the German culture. And of course, singing along will make you practice making the sounds correctly in no time. Die fette Elke! What are you waiting for? Time to start listening to some German music. And if you don't know where to start and which bands to choose, don't worry, I have prepared a list for you with German bands that make great music from different genres that also sing pretty clearly, so it's easy for you to understand. You're welcome. The link is in the description. Hack number 3. Forget getting a tandem partner to study with. That's the way of the losers. The quickest way to get your German up to speed is to get a German girlfriend or boyfriend. How to get a German girlfriend? There's 2 things German women will fall for. Number 1, intelligence. So make sure to put on your smartest shirt, your smartest glasses, and don't forget to look up some Nietzsche quotes before you meet her. Yep, and that's what I do.
Wow, that job sounds so stressful.
He who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow. But even if you're as dumb as Brett, you still have the upper hand against any German man because let's face it, you're probably funnier than the most hilarious German comedian. And don't forget to sing your newly practiced German songs from hack number 2 to your new German girlfriend. She will appreciate it.
Ohne dich kann ich nicht sein. Ohne dich. Mit dir bin ich auch allein. Ohne dich.
The boyfriend. Nothing is easier than getting a German man. All you need is a beer and a football. It really is that simple. Although, don't expect him to talk much. German men are more on the reserved side. But he will be loyal. And as long as the beer is flowing, you will have his heart. Lecker. Hack number 4 will make you learn a whole language level A1, A2 or B1 in just 10 weeks. Everybody knows that you are learning the fastest when you are enjoying the process. That's why Learn German with Anja, me and the biggest names from the German education space have come together to create a German learning course in video form, which you can watch like any Netflix series. It's fun, it's absurd, and this way studying German doesn't even feel like work anymore. The story of the course follows Kati settling down in Berlin and covers all the important life situations, like going shopping, looking for a flat, or going on a date. The course is using a special teaching technique called chunking, which focuses on high frequency patterns, chunks, that native speakers use, letting you discover grammar and concepts after already using them correctly. So the structure of the language comes naturally to your brain. It's basically the same way when you first learned your mother tongue as a child. And of course, beside the video units, there's also writing exercises, flashcards, grammar explanations, and now, since last week, there's even an accompanying textbook to work with. If you are interested, go check out all the details with the link in the description. And if you want to see the whole trailer for the course, go check this video right here. And obviously, don't forget to use my discount code if you get it. And now it's time for hack number 5. This will make your German learning efforts so much easier, I promise. Just watch German news or any German YouTube video with live subtitles. There's a very helpful browser extension called Reverso that lets you check in real time the translation for the words. And you can even add them to your favorites in case you want to repeat them later. This way, while you are procrastinating on YouTube, you can even learn something. And how do we call that? Damn right! German efficiency! That were all the German learning hacks for today. If you have any more tips to share, please put them in the comments below. I'm sure your fellow German learning students will appreciate that. And I hope I will see you in the course from hack number 4. Don't forget to check that one out. Until then, auf Wiedersehen!